Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. Figured I'd show you what I'm up to. So I'm down here inside the pond. Nice dry pond, as you can see. As I don't have the excavator, it's a good time to do some of these little jobs that I've been putting off because I didn't want to spend time doing that when I had the machine. So you can see these rock layers that run through here, kind of curve down. This one dipped down pretty deep. You can see it comes back up right there. The sediment that didn't have any of those rock layers sloughed off when it had water up against it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my little pickaxe, it's right over there, and I'm going to clean this loose sediment off the top of it. We'll take a trip down to the river and get some gravel and I've got some 30-gallon plant pots I'm going to fill up with gravel, and I'll mix up some cement with using that and Portland cement and put a layer of it, slap a layer of rocks, layer of cement, and build it back up. And then this little pile of topsoil you see there, that'll be going back in that spot once I get it done. It'll probably take me a while to do it, you know. This isn't the type of work that goes real fast. Yeah, let me get started on it. Well, that's it. I got it down to a pretty solid base. Nice layer of rock here to bond that other stone to with the cement. I think this will work. Embed it kind of into that bank. Build it up to the same level as this flat plane I have across where all the trees are planted. And I'll throw some of this soil that I dug out back over the top of it and put that topsoil in the last 6 inches or so. Looks like I finally get to use this pile of rock. Well, I guess it's time to take a trip to the river to get some gravel for concrete. Here we are at the river where I get my gravel for my concrete. It's a good mix of all kinds of sizes of rocks and different colors and shapes. Kids are over here collecting some nice looking rocks. Somebody took a little front end loader over here and loosened this gravel up, so I'm going to use this for my gravel. I'll just transfer it into the back of the bucket of the truck into these 30-gallon plant pots. That's the plan anyway. Well, let me get started.
Why you just digging the rock?
I'm gonna make concrete.
going to just make concrete?
Watch out.
Papa,
Yeah.
I found big ones too.
Yeah, there's a bunch of bigger ones than that.
Okay, look at this one. Wait, it's my rock. I'm missing my rock. What I found yesterday was. That I found yesterday. One. Do it here have emerald?
There's all kinds of different rocks, really. I know there's some agate out here.
That's simigate.
Agate. That's the type of rock.
How looks like a gate?
It don't look very nice on the outside. Once you cut it, it looks real good.
Wait, somebody here tried to find the gold?
I don't know what they're looking for. Probably just wanted some gravel.
To make the concrete? I found the rock. What it's you? If you cut it, it looks really nice.
I don't know.
You think yes or no? Yes.
Couldn't tell you. So you cut it.
But we need something very hard.
Well, I got 6 30-gallon plant pots full of gravel and 2 other 5-gallon buckets. Time to head back to the ranch.